The iPhone 13 appears to be neither deformed nor damaged. Let's plug in the charger and see. The screen shows nothing. Let's take a look at why the phone suddenly turns off and goes black while playing with it. And let's take a look at the phone. It's very new inside, like it hasn't been dismantled. How come such a new phone shuts down for no reason? Disconnect power first. Remove the screen. The screen is new. The inside of the casing is also very neat and clean. Take out our motherboard and take a look. Slightly curved. Start checking. Let's use a power meter to see what the motherboard's current is. I found that there was no obvious heat anywhere outside. We turned down the voltage. I found that only the positive wire is hot. There is no heat anywhere on the motherboard. We can see that the tin points on the upper and lower layers have not fallen off. So is the short circuit in the upper layer or the lower layer? We can obviously see a hot spot on the upper part. It can be judged that it should be this large capacitor. Is that true? Come under the microscope and smoke this piece of white pine smoke. Then power it up the desktop. Let's test Wi-Fi sound and other functions. The screen you see is a little red. Let's test the face first. Let me tell you why you are red. Let's take a look at the task manager. It's true that while I was watching short videos, the screen went black and the phone wouldn't turn on. Let's take a look at the color filter in the accessibility function. After turning it off, the phone screen will no longer be red.